ये तो मानी हुई बात है। इट गोज़ विदाउट सेइंग। ये तो मानी हुई बात है। इट गोज़ विदाउट सेइंग। इससे भी आपका काम नहीं चलेगा। इट विल नॉट सर्व योर पर्पस एज वेल। इट विल नॉट सर्व योर पर्पस एज वेल। मैंने उसे बहुत फटकारा। आई हैड रिबक्ड हर। आई हैड रिबक्ड हर। ये तो खुशी के आंसू हैं। These are tears of joy. ये तो खुशी के आंसू हैं। These are tears of joy. इसे दोबारा मत बोलना। Don't utter it again. इसे दोबारा मत बोलना। Don't utter it again. अपने आप को परेशान क्यों करते हो? Why you bother yourself? Why you bother yourself? उसकी आंखें कमज़ोर हैं। He has a poor vision. उसकी आंखें कमज़ोर हैं। He has a poor vision. तुमने शर्ट उल्टी पहनी हुई है। You are putting on your shirt inside out. You are putting on your shirt inside out. मुझे धमकाओ नहीं। Don't intimidate me. मुझे धमकाओ नहीं। Don't intimidate me. किराने का सामान ख़त्म होने वाला है। Groceries are about to finish. Groceries are about to finish. गिफ्ट खोलकर वह हैरान हो गया। He got surprised after opening the gift. He got surprised after opening the gift. गुस्सा अक्ल को खा जाता है। Anger devours wisdom. Anger devours wisdom. सारे शहर में कर्फ्यू लगा दिया गया है। Curfew has been clamped in the entire city. Curfew has been clamped in the entire city. तुम्हारे बदबूदार मोजे धोने के लिए डालो। Put your rummy socks to wash. Put your rummy socks to wash. इसके लिए बहुत पैसों की आवश्यकता थी। Lots of money was needed for it. Lots of money was needed for it. क्या तुम इसका परिणाम जानते हो? Do you know its consequences? Do you know its consequences? इस बात को अपने मन से निकाल दो। Remove this thing out of your mind. Remove this thing out of your mind. तुम इतनी सहमी सहमी सी क्यों हो? Why are you apprehensive? Why are you apprehensive? क्या तुमने ड्राइवर को कॉल करके पूछा नहीं था? Had you not called and asked the driver? Had you not called and asked the driver? मुझे यह बात बेतुकी लगी। I found this thing absurd. I found this thing absurd. क्या ऐसा कभी होगा? Will it ever happen so? क्या ऐसा कभी होगा? Will it ever happen so? आपने मेरे लिए इसे आसान बना दिया है। You have made it easier for me. You have made it easier for me. मैंने यह बात नहीं कही। I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. मैं घुमा फिरा कर बात नहीं करता। I am a straightforward person. I am a straightforward person. मेरी लाचारी कोई नहीं समझता। Nobody realizes my helplessness. Nobody realizes my helplessness. तुम्हें जलन क्यों हो रही है? Why are you getting jealous? Why are you getting jealous? सर खुजाना बंद करो। Stop scratching your head. Stop scratching your head. ये तो बस थोड़ी सी खरोच है। This is just a small scratch. This is just a small scratch. लफ्ज़ों में बयान करना मुश्किल है। It's hard to put into words. It's hard to put into words. वैसे अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? Anyway, how is your health now? Anyway, how is your health now? एक दिन तुम अकेले ही रह जाओगे. One day you will be left alone. One day you will be left alone. मुझे अपने परिवार का पेट पालना है. I have to feed my family. I have to feed my family. हवा और तेज़ चल रही है. It's getting even windier. It's getting even windier. तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What's your status? तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What is your status? थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for me for a while. Wait for me for a while. तुम्हें मुझे पहले बताना चाहिए था. You should have told me earlier. You should have told me earlier. तुम तो बिना बात के गुस्सा हो रहे हो. You are unreasonably angry. You are unreasonably angry. नाम कमाने में समय लगता है. It takes time to earn a name. It takes time to earn a name. मैं कभी ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा नहीं बोलता. I never speak more than enough. I never speak more than enough. उसे उम्मीद मत दो. Don't give her hope. उसे उम्मीद मत दो. Don't give her hope. मेरा नेट ख़त्म हो गया. I have run out of my data. I have run out of my data. आजकल तुम ऑफलाइन रहने लगे हो. You started being offline these days. You started being offline these days. बाकी की फ़ोटो मैं बाद में भेज दूँगा. I will send rest of pictures later. I will send rest of pictures later. अपनी डीपी बदल लो, ये अच्छी नहीं है. Change your DP, it's not a good one. Change your DP, it's not a good one. मैं जल्द ही घर पहुंच रहा हूँ. I am reaching home soon. मैं जल्द ही घर पहुंच रहा हूँ. I am reaching home soon. वापस आते समय मैं उसके घर गया. On the way back, I went his home. On the way back, I went his home. उसे तुम्हें समझाना चाहिए था. He should have understood you. He should have understood you. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow the candle. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow the candle. आप लोग उसकी मदद क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Why are you not helping him? Why are you not helping him? वह अपने स्वभाव से मजबूर है. He is bound to his nature. He is bound to his nature. टाल मटोल मत करो. Don't put it off. टाल मटोल मत करो. Don't put it off. लंबे बाल तुम पर जचते हैं. Long hair suits you. Long hair suits you. वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है. He is not Dick and Harry. वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है. He is not Dick and Harry. उसे तुम्हें समझाना चाहिए था. He should have understood you. He should have understood you. उसने मामले को दबा दिया. He husked up the matter. He husked up the matter. दूध फट गया है. The milk has curdled. दूध फट गया है. The milk has curdled. एक पिता होने के नाते आपका ये फ़र्ज़ है. Being a father, it is your duty. Being a father, it is your duty. वह अपने बात का पक्का नहीं था. He was not a person of his words. He was not a person of his words. वह तुम्हारा गुलाम नहीं था. He was not your slave. वह तुम्हारा गुलाम नहीं था. He was not your slave. वो तुमसे मिलकर खुश हो जाएगी. She will be happy to see you. She will be happy to see you. जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Whatever happens, happens for good. Whatever happens, happens for good. मुझे तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना है. I have got something to show you. मुझे तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना है. I have got something to show you. तुम हमेशा सवाल पूछते रहते हो. You always ask questions. You always ask questions. रीना ने उसे रंगे हाथों पकड़ा. रीना caught him red-handed. रीना caught him red-handed. छात्र इस बार अच्छे अंक लाने के लिए काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. Students are really working hard to get good marks this time. Students are really working hard to get good marks this time. मैं 1 मिनट में आया. I will be back in a minute. मैं 1 मिनट में आया. I will be back in a minute. मुझे लगा शायद आप भूल गए हों. I thought you might have forgotten. I thought you might have forgotten. यहाँ तमाशा मत बनाओ. Don't make a scene here. यहाँ तमाशा मत बनाओ. Don't make a scene here. उसकी पोल खुल गई. He is exposed. उसकी पोल खुल गई. He is exposed. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो. Think before you speak. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो. Think before you speak. कहने और करने में बहुत अंतर होता है. There is a big difference in saying and doing. There is a big difference in saying and doing. कल उनकी बहस हो गई. They had an argument yesterday. कल उनकी बहस हो गई. They had an argument yesterday. यह मेरा पसंदीदा विषय है. This is my favorite subject. यह मेरा पसंदीदा विषय है. This is my favorite subject. अंदाज़ा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. अंदाज़ा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. मैं तुम्हें थप्पड़ मार दूंगी. I will slap you. मैं तुम्हें थप्पड़ मार दूंगी. I will slap you. शायद वो रास्ता भूल गया हो. He might be lost. शायद वो रास्ता भूल गया हो. He might be lost. वह हमेशा मीठी मीठी बातें करती है. She always makes sweet talks. She always makes sweet talks. तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What is your worth? तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What is your worth? वह उस समय कानपुर के आसपास था. He was hereabouts कानपुर that time. He was hereabouts कानपुर that time. तुम उससे बात करने में शर्माते क्यों हो? Why do you fight shy of talking to her? Why do you fight shy of talking to her? हमारे बीच में अनबन थी. There was a rift between us. There was a rift between us. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Either will do. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Either will do. पालथी मारकर बैठो. Sit cross-legged. पालथी मारकर बैठो. Sit cross-legged. उत्तर मेरी ज़ुबान पर था. The answer was on the tip of my tongue. The answer was on the tip of my tongue. वह घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा था. He was having a sound sleep. वह घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा था. He was having a sound sleep. मैं काम में लगा हुआ था. I was into some work. मैं काम में लगा हुआ था. I was into some work. मैं कुछ बड़ा करने की सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking something big to go. I am thinking something big to go. बहुत अच्छा होना भी अच्छा नहीं होता. It's not good to be too good. It's not good to be too good. तुम्हें उसका जरा भी ख्याल नहीं आया. You didn't even think about him. You didn't even think about him. यहाँ से बस स्टॉप कितनी दूर है? How far is the bus stop from here? How far is the bus stop from here? तुम उस लड़की पर नज़र रखना. You keep eye on that girl. तुम उस लड़की पर नज़र रखना. You keep eye on that girl. वो मेरे पास पैसे के लिए आया था. He had come to me for money. He had come to me for money. हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते. We can't depend on him for help. We can't depend on him for help. भले आदमी जल्दी ही ईश्वर को प्यारे हो जाते हैं. Whom God loves die young. Whom God loves die young. मैं तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था. I was standing in front of you. I was standing in front of you. उसने मेरी बातों को झुठलाने की कोशिश की. He tried to belie my words. He tried to belie my words. मैं जिम्मेदारियों से कभी जी नहीं चुराता. I never shirk the responsibilities. मैं जिम्मेदारियों से कभी जी नहीं चुराता. I never shirk the responsibilities. इस लकड़ी को छोटा कर दो. Shorten this stick. इस लकड़ी को छोटा कर दो. Shorten this stick. मैं बाज़ार जाने ही वाला था, इतने में तुम आ गए. I was about to go to market. Meantime you came. I was about to go to market. Meantime you came. मैं इसका आदी नहीं होना चाहता. I don't want to be addicted to it. I don't want to be addicted to it. मेरे सामने अकड़ मत दिखाओ. Don't show airs in front of me. Don't show airs in front of me. तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? Who is there behind you? तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? Who is there behind you? इस फूल की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. वह आजकल बड़ी मौज में है. He is making thriving these days. He is making thriving these days. मेरा घर तुम्हारी दुकान के ठीक सामने है. My house is just opposite to your shop. My house is just opposite to your shop. उसकी सोच तुम्हारी सोच से ठीक उल्टी है. His thinking is opposite yours. His thinking is opposite yours. इतने सारे पैसे तुम्हारे पास कैसे हैं? How do you have this much money? How do you have this much money? नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. जो तुम कहते हो वह उसका उल्टा करता है. He does opposite of what you say. He does opposite of what you say. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी. You spoke out my mind. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी. You spoke out my mind. दम है तो छू कर दिखाओ. Show by touching if you have power. दम है तो छू कर दिखाओ. Show by touching if you have power. चूँकि वह तैयार नहीं था, हमने उसे छोड़ दिया. As he was not ready, we left him. As he was not ready, we left him. वह ऐसे चल रहा था जैसे कि वह शराबी हो. He was walking as if he were drunkard. He was walking as if he were drunkard. उसने मुझे साफ मना कर दिया. He gave me a flat refusal. He gave me a flat refusal. गलती से भी मेरा सामान मत छूना. Don't touch my belongings even by mistake. Don't touch my belongings even by mistake. गलती से भी उसकी बात मत मानना. Don't listen to him even by mistake. Don't listen to him even by mistake. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. गलती से भी मेरे कपड़े मत पहनना. Don't wear my clothes even by mistake. Don't wear my clothes even by mistake. अभी भी टाइम है, फॉर्म भर दो. There is still time, fill the form. There is still time, fill the form. यह आम खाने में कैसा है? What does this mango taste like? What does this mango taste like? वह गुनगुना रहा है. He is crooning. वह गुनगुना रहा है. He is crooning. मैं बिना मर्जी के चाय बना रही हूँ. I am making tea reluctantly. I am making tea reluctantly. अभी भी टाइम है, सच बता दो मुझे. There is still time, tell me truth. There is still time, tell me truth. वह कैसा आदमी है? What sort of person is he? What sort of person is he? तुम खेलो या ना खेलो, मैं तो खेलूँगा. Whether you play or not, I will. Whether you play or not, I will. भूकंप में कई इमारतें ढह गईं. A lot of buildings collapsed in the earthquake. A lot of buildings collapsed in the earthquake. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. मैं तुम्हारा क्या लगता हूँ? Who I am to you. मैं तुम्हारा क्या लगता हूँ? Who I am to you. ज़्यादा घुमा फिरा कर बात मत करो. Don't beat about the bus. Don't beat about the bus. यह मेरा अंतिम फैसला है. This is my final decision. यह मेरा अंतिम फैसला है. This is my final decision. आपने ऐसा कैसे कहा? How dare you say that? आपने ऐसा कैसे कहा? How dare you say that? उसे कुछ खाने को दे दो. Give him something to eat. उसे कुछ खाने को दे दो. Give him something to eat. यहाँ क्या बकवास चल रही है? What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on here? तुम मुझ पर नज़र रख रहे थे. You were keeping eye on me. You were keeping eye on me. वह अभी भी कमरे में है. She is still in the room. वह अभी भी कमरे में है. She is still in the room. तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है. You have habit to doubt. You have habit to doubt. मेरा इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It's none of my business. मेरा इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It's none of my business. मुझ पर रौब मत जमाओ. Don't be mad at me. मुझ पर रौब मत जमाओ. Don't be mad at me. आखिरकार वह तुम्हारा दोस्त है. After all, he is your friend. After all, he is your friend. वह इस नौकरी के लिए सही है. He is perfect for this job. He is perfect for this job. वह तुमसे मिलने वाली है. She is about to come to meet you. She is about to come to meet you. तुम मेरे बारे में गलत सोच रहे हो. You are thinking wrong about me. You are thinking wrong about me. मैंने उसे मुंहतोड़ जवाब दिया. I retorted her. I retorted her. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so irresponsible? How could you be so irresponsible? क्या तुमने खरीदारी की? Did you do the shopping? क्या तुमने खरीदारी की? Did you do the shopping? तुम खुद को क्या समझते हो? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? इसको उठाओ और कूड़ेदान में डालो. Pick it up and throw in the dustbin. Pick it up and throw in the dustbin. अगर तुमने जल्दी नहीं की तो हमारी ट्रेन छूट जाएगी. If you don't hurry, we will miss our train. If you don't hurry, we will miss our train. तुम कमरे से बाहर क्यों आए? Why did you come out of the room? Why did you come out of the room? मैंने कल बहुत काम किया. I did a lot of work yesterday. I did a lot of work yesterday. उसने तो कब का नया मोबाइल खरीद लिया. He bought his new mobile much earlier. He bought his new mobile much earlier. मेरी तबीयत दिन ब दिन बिगड़ती जा रही है. My health is deteriorating day by day. My health is deteriorating day by day. मुझे आपको दोबारा देखकर खुशी हुई. I am glad to see you again. I am glad to see you again. सब ठीक हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो. Everything will be fine, don't worry. Everything will be fine, don't worry. वह क्लास में मॉनिटर बना फिरता है. He walks around as a monitor in the class. He walks around as a monitor in the class. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen any moment. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen any moment. काश सब कुछ पहले जैसा हो पाता. I wish everything could be like it was before. I wish everything could be like it was before. आज बहुत भीड़ थी बाजार में. There was a big crowd at the market. There was a big crowd at the market. इतना दयालु होना उसके लिए सही नहीं है. It is not right of him to be so kind. It is not right of him to be so kind. मैं तुम्हें 2-4 दिनों में कॉल करता हूँ. I will call you in a couple of days. I will call you in a couple of days. ऐसा मत करो, वो बुरा मान जाएगा. Don't do that. He will get offended. Don't do that. He will get offended. कुछ याद करने की कोशिश करो. Try to recall something. कुछ याद करने की कोशिश करो. Try to recall something. तुम यहाँ कार से आए या फिर पैदल? Did you come here by car or on foot? Did you come here by car or on foot? मैंने सब कुछ दांव पर लगा दिया. I put everything at stake. I put everything at stake. मैंने उसकी आवाज़ पहचान ली है. I have recognized his voice. I have recognized his voice. थके होने के बावजूद उसने मेहनत की. He worked hard despite being tired. He worked hard despite being tired. वो किसी से भी मिलने से शर्माता है. He feels shy of meeting anyone. He feels shy of meeting anyone. तुम बाहर क्यों नहीं जा रही हो? Why aren't you going out? तुम बाहर क्यों नहीं जा रही हो? Why aren't you going out? मैं हाथ जोड़कर तुमसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. I am apologizing by joining my hands. I am apologizing by joining my hands. क्या तुम वही सोच रहे हो जो मैं सोच रही हूँ? Are you thinking the same as I am? Are you thinking the same as I am? तुम्हें महान बनने का शौक है. You like to play a saint. तुम्हें महान बनने का शौक है. You like to play a saint. मुझे बोलने का मौका मत दो. Don't give me chance to speak. Don't give me chance to speak. मैं रोज़ अपना काम ख़त्म करने के बाद थोड़ी देर अपने दोस्तों के साथ समय बिताता हूँ. After finishing my work every day, I spend some time with my friends. After finishing my work every day, I spend some time with my friends. क्या तुम मुझे लापरवाह समझती हो? Do you consider me to be careless? Do you consider me to be careless? मेरा कुछ नहीं जा रहा. I am not losing anything.